This is Juan Casimiro, CEO and founder of BizNovator, with some COVID-19 and being hacked by BizNovator 30. It's a series of short workshops to keep you engaged, focused, keeping your brains working, thinking of ideas, and so on. Some of you have asked us about more information as to what businesses can we start while at home. Of course, many of you have homework assignments and other things that you're doing at home, and a lot of you have a lot of downtime. So this is a good time to think about business ventures that you can start while at home. As a matter of fact, we want you to start thinking about being an entrepreneur because it's going to be the new normal as far as with the economic downturn, the economic risks that we're going to be facing, a lot of people losing job opportunities. So there's a gap in the marketplace for very skilled individuals like yourselves. If you are a young, energetic, smart, willing to learn type of young person, an adult that has some technology skills as well, there's a plethora of opportunities for online businesses. And in fact, most of the online businesses are all, taking place right now at home. So these are also home-based businesses. I shared in part 1 5 business ideas that you can start while at home. And real quick, I'll share with you that one of those was database management, database development. We spoke about tutoring services, video editing, photo editing, and a desktop or computer organizer. Now I'm going to share some more in this part 2 series of home-based businesses you can start now with your downtime. So this is part 2 of home-based businesses that you can start right now through your skills, your technology, and so on. Let me continue with Survey Designer. What is that? That is something that you can put together a series of questions and assessments, and those surveys help small business owners gather information. In other words, you create 10 questions, you identify several business owners that want to inquire information from their existing clients or their future clients. So many small businesses are preparing for a new way of thinking, a new normal, if you will, of doing business. And one of the things that they like to do is to gather information from their existing clients. And these questions can be developed by you with these home-based businesses. And these are just called surveys or assessment, getting feedback from clients so that it helps the small business owner or the young entrepreneur tailor their business a lot more, or a better system that they can gather information to best tailor their marketing or their product or service. So do surveys. That's an interesting, very easy to do. Do some research, of course, go to Google and look at assessments, 10 questions, 15 questions, 20 questions that gathers information for entrepreneurs. Another one is arrange for food delivery. Many restaurants are delivering food. Many restaurants are also busy getting orders in. And one of the services that you can create is take orders for existing restaurants in your community. Pizza Shop, Burger King, for example, is delivering. Boston Market is delivering. McDonald's is delivering. Chick-fil-A is delivering. They have their own systems, but there are those small mom and pop restaurants that are delivering food, and they need someone to take orders simply from your phone, your cell phone. And they can give you a database of their existing clients, and then you can reach out to those clients and kind of remind them, do you need something delivered to your home? As a matter of fact, I urge you to do that because we are eating a lot during these stay-home days, in this case because of the coronavirus. Another idea is a home organizer. Can you imagine how many closets need to be organized? How many garages are just filled with stuff that we don't need or use? So become a home organizer and focus on organizing closets and, of course, garages. If you happen to be in a community that has garages, I'm not saying travel long distances, but talk to your parents and get permission to see if you can visit your neighbor. And of course, you're going to wear your gloves, you're going to have your mask, you're going to be sure that you don't touch anything that you don't need to touch. But at the end of the day is organizing closets and organizing garages. Good idea. Maybe you want to wait for that idea after this is all over. But I think do your research and you'd be amazed how many people need things organized in their home. So a home organizer is a perfect idea, and you should begin with your home. Begin with your closet. Look under your bed and look for things you don't need, box them somewhere, and then you could think about maybe donating those things you don't need, like clothes and shoes, for example. Another one is designing landing pages. I can't tell you how many nonprofit organizations, how many small businesses have not updated or created pages for their businesses. A lot of them. And many of them need some help and some expertise that you, as a savvy Gen Z, tech-driven entrepreneur thinker, that I think you have an opportunity to create some websites and some landing pages for some folks, and including their social media strategy. So you contact small business owners, you contact doctors, lawyers, insurance brokers, financial planners, and so on. All these people need help with having a website, and if they have one, help them update it. Here's another idea. If you are a good blogger, you can reach masses of people. I mean, a lot of people, but create content that's meaningful, particularly during these times. Don't just write about stuff. Maybe come up with the 10 best ideas to counter the coronavirus panic. Maybe you could write articles. Maybe you could blog on anything that's positive in the community and start sharing the information. So be a blogger, or create some kind of podcast, if you will, that allows you to kind of release all that intelligence and brilliance and ideas that you have sitting in your amazing mind. You're amazing, so share it with the world. Here's a good one that I think a lot of young people haven't taken advantage of. Help people, old school folks like myself, who still have photos printed, like literally photos printed. Can you imagine? We've got boxes of these things. Why not organize photo albums? That's another opportunity that you could do and help people organize their photos, organize different things, different images that they have that they want to in an organized fashion. You'd be surprised how many people still like having photo albums, or there's software that can take those existing photos that are just laying around and they could be digitized with software and put into a system online. So you see, there's a lot of ideas and a lot of things you can do during the COVID-19 Stay Home Challenge. That's why we created the COVID-19 Hacked by BizNovator 30. For more information to dive deeper in all this, go to mybiznovator.com.